Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick review on this headlight restored at US. So what it includes, 2 cleaning wipes and then the protection layer that will restore the headlight. We're gonna try this on my GLI, see how it goes. I think these run about $20 for a kit. So let's give her a shot. Alright, so here's the said GLI. See the headlights? I mean, they're not horrible. They're really not that bad. This one's a little worse than that one. But smells like some soapy water, honestly. It's very wet. Alright, you should bring a, I think there's you need to do the other one. You should bring a microfiber though. Okay, I don't think I made it in time. Alright, protection. Alright, that literally took like 2 minutes to do. And these look brand new. That was a little messy on this one.